Okay, guys, let's keep it moving, okay? Now, in the last video, guys, I talked about the perfect marriage. We talked about that perfect marriage being, a hyper, irresistible offer, basically, right? A high converting offer coupled with the ability to generate highly responsive leads, okay, and traffic. And we talked about that is what made up the automated marketing sales systems and sales funnels. Now, guys, what I want you to understand, right, is there are a couple of rules that I want you guys to commit to right here and now before we move forward. And they are, you got to have fun, right? Okay. You got to take this serious, but you got to have fun. Okay. You got to have fun in your business. You got to take it seriously. Don't overcomplicate what I'm talking to you about, guys. Don't overcomplicate or underestimate the awesome power of automated marketing systems and sales funnels, okay? And take action. So those are the 4 rules. Have fun, take it seriously, don't overcomplicate, and take action. Because this is what's going to happen, guys. Some of you guys have already seen the business opportunity and you already understand how it works. You should be super pumped and you should be super excited. For those of you who have not yet joined and not yet seen the presentation, I implore you guys, click the continue now button below the video and go on over to the actual presentation. Because what you must understand as you're watching this presentation, guys, is this the exact same funnel, the exact same automated marketing system and sales funnel that you're going to have, okay? Now, guys, remember we talked about responsive lead sources, okay? Generating traffic. We're talking about lead sources, right? When you see that word swipe, don't get afraid. Don't be afraid of the words ad swipes. What that is, guys, is we've got emails already written for you to start to follow up with your potential prospects. So in a nutshell, guys, we're going to show you our exact lead sources, the ones we use, okay? And this is going to flood your marketing system, right? Your sales funnel with new people, okay? Don't worry about it. We're going to walk you through the whole process. Then we take those new leads, right? And we put them in front of this offer using your automated marketing system and sales funnel, okay? And then what you must understand is it works for you on complete automation, okay? Over here on the right, you see it don't matter if you're old, if you're young, if you're skinny, if you're fat, if you're married, if you're single, if you're divorced, if you're gay, straight, forget it, guys. It doesn't matter. The system flat out works, and you guys can plug into it right now today. Now, I promised, guys, I was going to show you guys how an automated marketing system and sales funnel works, because a lot of you guys may not have grasped this concept, right? So what I'm going to do, guys, I told you guys that I build automated marketing systems and sales funnels. I'm going to show you an automated marketing system and sales funnel, right, that I built. It took me all of 25 minutes to build it, right? It probably took me 20, okay? But I'm going to jump over there. I'm going to show it to you guys. And this is just one example. This is just an illustration of an automated marketing system and sales funnel. But I want you guys to understand the awesome power of what you now have access to. Not this one. This is just one I'm showing you for an example. But back here, right under the video, right under this video, when you click here to continue, you're going to see the actual presentation. Again, keeping in mind as you watch the presentation, it's the exact same presentation that you're going to be able to strategically position yourself, right? Your website, your marketing system. It's the exact same one you're going to be able to use to go out and start strategically positioning yourself in front of that 200,000 plus brand new people coming online looking for ways to make money. I'm super excited. Can you guys tell? Okay. So you guys understand, right? We're having fun, right? You got to have fun, guys. It's a must. You must have fun in your business. Okay. Got to have fun. Take it seriously, but have fun. Okay. Don't underestimate the awesome power of automated marketing systems and sales funnels, right? And take action. Okay. What we've done, guys, and what I'm working on, even as we speak, even as you navigate through this website, guys, is the ultimate 7 7-hour work week. You guys are going to hear me talking a lot more about it if you subscribe to me on YouTube. What I'm doing, guys, is I'm drilling down my work week to a mere 7 hours a week. Why do I say 7 hours a week, and how is that possible? Because, guys, once you have your automated marketing and sales system set up, all you're really doing is driving traffic into the system, right? Into the sales funnel. And again, it's going to go out and work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days of a year. I literally have hundreds of automated marketing systems and sales funnels. I'm going to show you guys right now an example of how they work. Here's an example of an automated marketing system that I put together. Again, took me all of 25 minutes. You're on the page. This is a video sales. This is a video capture page that I created. When I send traffic, right? When I drive those eyeballs, those people, because that's all traffic is, right? I want to get in front of them. When I drive people to this page, guys, they come over here on the right, and they are instructed to put their name, right? So I'm going to go down and put my name. Okay, I'm going to put my name, and it's going to autofill there. It's going to go down and autofill my address and my email address. Now, all I have to do is enter X58U to prove them a real person. Now, let's watch, guys, where the magic happens. I'm going to click here for instant access, and in a few seconds, boom, there it goes, guys. That's an automated marketing sales system and sales funnel in action. You guys just came through one when you entered into my capture page, right? This is exactly how it works, okay? You guys are seeing this. This is something different, not that important, doesn't really matter, right, guys? What you need to understand is when you've locked in your spot for this particular business opportunity, right? And I'm not giving too much away for those people who haven't joined yet. Just know that you're going to get the exact lead sources that we use every day. They're proven to work, guys, okay? Now, in some videos, right, if you guys have subscribed to me on YouTube, you guys have heard me talking about a new traffic source, right? And honestly, guys, I'm building the 7-hour work week series, the 7-hour work week business opportunity, business model around traffic and lead generation. Okay, I got a YouTube video series on YouTube called Build a List, Build a Business, because if you can build a list, you can build a business. Everything that I do, it entails building a list. The system that I'm talking to you guys right now tonight is going to enable you to do that. It's going to enable you to do it on automation, and you're going to have everything that you need to do it. You're going to have everything you need to do it starting right now today. Now, below this video, guys, somewhere near the bottom of the page on this website, you're going to find all of my contact information. When you guys join me, if you have any problems, you need to email me at itsmarlonoBennett@gmail.com. You need to email me at itsmarlonoBennett@gmail.com, or even text me on my mobile device. That is 301-919-2601. Now, whether you text or email me, make sure you put question for Marlon in the subject line. Any questions that you have, guys, about anything, I mentioned that in the video above. Just make sure you reach out and contact me, guys. Now, this is where it's going to get really, really, really super incredibly sexy. You're going to see some super bonuses that's coming to you guys once you click the link below and you go on to this other page, right? You guys are going to see some super incredible bonuses. Now, why am I talking to you about those bonuses? Because these bonuses, guys, are going to help you get up and rocking and rolling. And I'm talking about training. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying. My computer just froze up a little bit. We're talking about training, guys, that's second to none, right? Training that's second to none. Now, you're going to get those bonuses. It's about 5 or 6 of them. Make sure you read through. You understand what you're getting. And make sure you dive into the actual training that we're going to provide you. Now, the other thing that's coming, this is why you guys want to keep your eyes on your emails, is it's an exclusive traffic source. It's different than even the ones we're going to be talking about in your members area, right? This is a traffic source, guys, that I've been watching the actual vendor. I'm going to be disclosing this guy, but only for my action takers, okay? Now, this particular traffic source, right, is a little different than your traditional solo ads. If you guys have ever heard of solo ads, you're familiar with that. It's a little bit different. It costs a little more money, but I think you're going to find it well worth your time. Okay, now that's coming. So make sure you keep your eyes on your emails. Now, the other thing I want to mention before I get off this video, guys, is um, watch your emails, because I'm going to be constantly sending you guys emails. Even if this opportunity is not for you guys, automated marketing systems and sales funnels is all I use. All I talk about is different traffic and lead generation tactics, strategies, and techniques. Most of them are paid, and sometimes I'll throw in some free advertising sources. The only form of free advertising I do is YouTube videos. If you guys want to know about more about that, you want to stay on the list, because you want to be able to get your hands on these kind of things. You are now, guys, a true student of the game of internet marketing if you've taken action. And so one of the other bonuses that's coming that I want to mention is the exact same page you're looking at right now, right? The exact same page you're looking at right now is going to become available as a bonus for those of you who are joining me. Now, what does that mean? That means that when you join with me, guys, I'm going to create a page exactly like the one you're looking at right now, a website just like this one. So that blue continue, or those continue now buttons, won't continue to my actual affiliate page, right? Website where people can sign up. It will redirect to your affiliate page, your website, where people can sign up. And then I'm going to also throw instructions on how you guys can use this this little website that I built. Build you one just like it, and you can also use this in your marketing. We're going to talk more about that. Anyway, get excited, guys. Remember the 4 rules, right? You got to have fun, okay? You got to take it serious, but you got to have fun. You never underestimate the awesome cash generating power of automated marketing systems and sales funnels, and you got to take action, okay, guys? If you can get lead flow, you can get cash flow, but you have to let go. And if you're ready to do that, guys, I'm super pumped and super excited for you. I just ran you guys through a simple example of how automated marketing systems and sales funnels work. Very similar, guys. Simple. You collect the names and email addresses of your potential prospects. You pull traffic into your funnels. You allow your funnels to do all of your training, telling, explaining, and selling for you. And when you learn how to do this, guys, we're going to be talking about scaling, because all scaling is now, guys, that you know how to do it. You're using your automated marketing sales system and sales funnels. You're continually pulling traffic into them. They're making you money, right? They're making you money. And the more money you make, the more you're able to spend more money on paid advertising and scale that business. And you can scale into infinity, okay? Get happy, guys. Get excited. Have fun. Take action, and make sure that you watch the video presentation below if you haven't watched it yet, and get your mind wrapped around the awesome power of automated marketing systems and sales funnels. Anyway, that's my spiel, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. As always, this is your boy Marlon Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, and I'll see you on the next video.